Hello, I'm Siamani Williams, creative arts, wellness, holistic life coach, and author. Wow, my journey as an entrepreneur has included self publishing Root Work Triumph Over Trauma and working with people who are ready to do the work of healing themselves from emotional trauma. And I utilize creative arts to do that. It has been an up and down journey. I've had some money to work with, and then I didn't have it because I had so many expenses going out. And there's a new program, and as an author, um, I am not on the bestsellers list yet, but I do believe in my book. I do believe in the work that I do in helping others. I believe we have to address mental health in our communities. I believe that we have to give um, girls and boys a fighting chance out here. I believe that we have to break cycles of generational dysfunction. And as a survivor of CSA, which is childhood sexual abuse, I believe that it is imperative that survivors let go of that shame that is not theirs in the first place and reclaim their voices. And so I am not out here working magic. What I am doing is helping people to rekindle and get back in touch with the light that exists in all of us so that they can heal and utilize their gifts. And that is why I need this grant. Thank you.